AI tools are getting more and more advanced every passing day. Take a look at this video I created using just one single prompt. Then I'll show you how.
In a sun-drenched forest, a young boy with bright eyes wanders, humming a gentle tune. Soft pastel colors paint the serene landscape as the boy explores, his curiosity piqued by the rustling leaves. A faint whimper breaks the forest's silence, halting the boy's carefree exploration. Pushing aside emerald ferns, he uncovers a small, scared wolf puppy huddled beneath an ancient tree. The puppy's big, innocent eyes meet the boy's, a silent plea echoing in the tranquil forest. A tentative connection forms between the boy and the wolf pup, bathed in the forest's gentle light. The boy gently cradles the wolf puppy, stepping into the warm light of his cozy home. His parents kneel, their faces alight with smiles as they gaze upon the tiny creature. "Can we keep him, please?" "He's all alone," the boy asks, his voice full of hope. The puppy wags its tail, a flicker of trust, as the parents share loving glances. Sunlight bathes the meadow as a boy and a wolf puppy play. Their laughter echoes, filling the air with pure joy. They chase each other, a whirlwind of fur and limbs, their bond deepening with every playful moment. Rolling in the soft grass, their inseparable connection shines, a testament to their unique friendship. Warm light embraces them, highlighting their shared joy and the unbreakable bond between a boy and his wolf. Sunset paints the sky orange as a majestic wolf emerges from the forest, his fur glowing in the fading light. Cautiously, the wolf scans the clearing, his keen eyes searching, recognizing the familiar scent of his lost pup. The wolf puppy tilts its head, confusion turning to recognition as a spark of joy ignites in its bright eyes. With a joyful bark, the pup bounds towards its father, tail wagging furiously, reunion in the golden light. A young boy watches from afar, his face etched with a mix of sadness and understanding as the wolf family reunites. At dusk, the wolf puppy, reunited, pauses at the forest edge, his gaze filled with silent love and gratitude directed towards the boy. The boy returns the heartfelt look, with a warm smile and a gentle wave of goodbye, sealing their bond in a silent farewell. With a final glance, the wolf puppy turns and vanishes into the dense woods, rejoining his family in the embrace of the wild. Left alone in the clearing, the boy feels a surge of warmth and happiness, forever touched by the wild encounter.
That was crazy good, right? And the fact that I was able to do this with just one prompt is wild. The AI took care of everything, from planning the video to creating the scenes, images, videos, and even the background music. Now, videos like this get crazy views on the internet, and with the right tools, you can also create them. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. All right. Now, the tool I used to create this video is called MagicLight. This is one of the best one-prompt video generators I have ever used, and it can create up to 30 minutes long videos from a single prompt. Crazy, isn't it? And make sure you watch till the end, because I have some really exciting news. Now, to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you will see this interface. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll be able to see some awesome creations made by other users. And they are super creative, guys. I would highly recommend you go through some of them. It will give you a clear idea of what you can actually do with this. Now, on the top here, you can see there are many options to create videos. You can create music videos, kids stories, and you can even use the Sora 2 video option, which can generate videos using Sora 2 that are up to 30 minutes long. Now, I use the story to video option to generate the video I showed you in the beginning. Let me show you what I did. So first, you need to click on this story to video option, and then it will open this interface. This is basically the control panel where you need to set up the parameters for your video. First, let's choose the aspect ratio. I went with 16:9 because I want the video to be YouTube ready. Then you can also change the video language. As you can see, there are so many different languages available. Next, you need to select the story model. Now, this is very important because MagicLight will use this model to create the script for your story. I will go with Gemini 3 because, in my opinion, it creates more natural stories and narration, which is exactly what I want. Next, you need to choose the video style. Just look at how many different styles are available. You can go with the one you like. I went with the Disney style because that is the best for kids content. Next, here you need to give a basic basic idea of your story. Don't worry, it does not have to be super detailed. Just give it the basic plot, and then Gemini 3 will take care of the rest. I have given this prompt. And lastly, you need to choose the video duration. As you can see here, you can go up to 30 minutes long, which is crazy. And even if you are not satisfied with that, you can go even longer from this custom section. It supports up to 50 minutes. I will just keep it on auto and let it decide based on the script. Now finally, click on next and let the AI analyze the initial inputs and then create the main storyline and the scenes for our story. Here it is. Now MagicLight has not only created the script, but it has also divided it into different scenes, and each scene has different shots. Very, very useful. Now you can go through them and make sure everything is okay and to your liking. And once you are satisfied with that, click on next, and then the AI will create the main character images using Nano Banana Pro. Here it is. Now it has created our main character for the story, and these are the character images that will be used throughout the video whenever they appear in a scene. Awesome, isn't it? And this is why you will get character consistency throughout the video. Now, I am really happy with all the characters, so I will just click on next and it will start generating the images for each scene as per our script. Once it's done, you will see an interface like this. Now, I am showing you the project I showed you in the beginning. Here, you can see all the scene images it has created, and just look at the character consistency. It's perfect. Well, it's Nano Banana Pro, so it will be perfect. Now, if you want to make any changes to a scene, you can do that. First, select the scene that you want to edit, and then from this section, you can see the prompt used to generate the image. You can make changes to it if you want, and then regenerate. Also, if you want more precise control, you can use this built-in Banana Pro option here. You can change clothes, expressions, lighting, etc. from these built-in options, or you can even give your own custom instructions to make specific edits. Now, as you can see, I have already regenerated and edited a few times before I settled with this image, and I did this with a few of the scenes to make them look even better. Next, to turn them into videos, click on this animate option, and here you will see two options. You can animate them one by one, or you can do it all at once. I animated all at once and then animated a few scenes individually that I did not like. So first, go to the animate all option, then select all the scenes, and after that you need to select the video generator. I went with Dance Pro, but feel free to choose the one you like and click on next, and it will animate them all together. Now, for most of the scenes, it did a perfect job, and for a few, I was not really happy, so I individually regenerated them. After the videos were ready, I increased the voiceover speed just a little bit, and then chose the voiceover character from these options, and that was pretty much it. Now, to export the video, click on next, then choose the settings as per your needs, and simply click on generate. Then choose the aspect ratio and quality and click on OK. Once it's done processing, you can download it from here, and you can also publish it into the MagicLight dashboard if you want. That was pretty easy, wasn't it? Now here's the big news. MagicLight is currently having a content creation contest, and the prize pool is $100,000. Yes, you heard that right. Joining is pretty simple. You need to create your video using any of MagicLight's features. You can also use the one I just showed you. Then upload it on your social media, tag MagicLight's official account, and then submit your video by filling out this form. And here are the prize details. The first place holder will receive $6,000, plus their video will be featured on Times Square, and they will get 3 years of Max membership. As you can see, there are so many other exciting prizes for the second and third place holders, and apart from that, here are all the prize details. It's crazy. Now, the contest is ongoing, and video submission will end on February 1st, 2026. I am also participating in this, and you guys should too, and get paid for your creativity. I will also put the contest details link in the description. So what are you waiting for? Go and try MagicLight right now.